Have you ever been in a situation where you had to introduce yourself in English but didn't know what to say? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you will have the confidence to introduce yourself in any situation. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English tutorial channel. Today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is the first step towards building a connection with someone new, whether it's a professional or personal setting. In this video, I will be sharing some basic phrases, personal information, and conversation practice to help you introduce yourself effectively in English. So let's get started. The first part. The first step towards introducing yourself is to know some basic phrases. These phrases will help you start the conversation and make a good first impression. Here are some examples. Hi, my name is Dash. Put your name in that place. Nice to meet you. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? These sentences are commonly used when meeting someone for the first time or having a conversation with someone new. They are used to introduce oneself and ask about the other person. For example, hi, my name is Mercy David. In this sentence, I am introducing myself. So when you want to introduce yourself, you can say, hi, my name is, then you can put your name. Nice to meet you. In this sentence, I am expressing the pleasure I have in meeting the other person. How are you? In this question, I'm asking about other person's well-being. Where are you from? And here in this question, I'm inquiring about the other person's origin. I'm from New York. In this sentence, I'm responding to the question, where are you from? Or I'm responding to the question about someone's origin or my origin. What do you do? In this sentence, I'm asking about other person's occupation or job. I'm a doctor or I work as an engineer. In this sentence, I am responding to the question, what do you do? I like to read. I like to travel. I like to play basketball. In this sentence, I am expressing my hobby or my interest. Nice talking to you. In this sentence, I'm expressing the pleasure I have in the conversation. It was nice meeting you. Pleased to meet you. In these sentences, I am expressing the pleasure in meeting the other person. Very good. So now let's pass to the second one, which is personal information. The next step is to share some personal information about yourself. This will help the other person get to know you better. Here are some examples. I am from Dash. Put the place that you came from. I work as a Dash. Put here your job or occupation. I like to Dash. Put your interest or hobby here. Now let's practice some more by introducing ourselves using the phrases and personal information we just learned. Hi, my name is Dash. Put your name. I am from Dash. You can say, I'm from New York. And you can put your country. I work as a Dash. As an accountant, as an engineer, as a doctor, or you can say, I'm an accountant, I'm an engineer, or I'm a doctor. In my free time, I like to read, I like to travel, I like to play football, I like to play piano, and something like that. Let's proceed to the next part, which is conversation practice. Now that we have some basic phrases and personal information, it's time to practice having a conversation. Here is an example conversation. I will say person A and I will say person B. Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Where are you from, John? I'm from New York. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Nice talking to you, John. Very good. So, in conclusion, introducing yourself in English is an essential skill to have. By knowing some basic phrases and personal information, you can start a conversation and make a good first impression. Remember to be confident and friendly when introducing yourself. Use this video as a guide to practice and improve your English communication skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English tutorials. Also, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.